Hello everyone, today I wanted to do a special unboxing. It's a Pride and Prejudice unboxing and then do a little mini book haul. So this is the Litjoy new edition of classics that they're doing of Pride and Prejudice. And I also ordered a couple of the add-ons so that I'll show you. So, I've got a couple stuff here. I'm very excited about it. So first I will do, let me do the book first. So this is an edition of Pride and Prejudice. I like how they wrapped it. It's all in bubble wrap. Oh, I just shouldn't flip it up. Alright. Bubble wrap. And then it's a beautiful edition of Pride and Prejudice. One side has Mr. Darcy, one side has Elizabeth, and it's kind of gold foiling. So it's very pretty. Slipcase. Gold edges. Don't know if you can really see that. On the back has Pemberley. Oh, this is just such a beautiful edition. This is Pride and Prejudice. Now, I was able to get one of the first kind of 1,000 books, so it is numbered. And, let's see. I got 553. Book 553. There's a little letter from Litjoy here. Lettering. And then throughout the book, there are illustrations. So I'm going to give you a little closer look at that. So here's some close-ups of the Classics edition. There's Elizabeth, Kimberly, another close-up of the case, Mr. Darcy, and the front. It is just absolutely pretty. So the beginning, and it is, the first quote is, "It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife." The first pages, letter from Litjoy, numbered 553. And then, let's see, the first illustration is this one. It looks like it's of the Bennet sisters and Mr. and Mrs. Bennet. Very nice. And then the next one, I think, is this one. It looks like it is probably the Lizzie and Jane walking at their house, I'm guessing. And another one. That looks like a playing card. Oh, I missed one illustration. And they're dancing. Oh, and each of the volumes are put like that. Some of the pages are, the gold is stick together. Here's where Elizabeth sees Mr. Darcy's portrait. I really like this picture. And there's the others. There's the other one. And then the last quote, it says, "I could have easily forgiven his pride if he had not mortified mine." So there's some close-ups of the Pride and Prejudice book, which is absolutely lovely. So this book is just absolutely beautiful. I really like it. At first, I wasn't sure if I wanted to get the other books in the series. So I think they're going to have Worthington Heights and then Jane Eyre. I'm probably going to get Jane Eyre, but I wasn't sure about Worthington Heights. But now, after seeing how beautiful this book is, I kind of want to get that one. So, hope you like that. And then I also got 2 of their book add-ons. So the first one is a set of notebooks. That kind of go with the illustrations of the books. So there's a smaller one, and it's lined. And on the back there's a little quote that says, "What are men to rocks and mountains?" And then another of the notebooks. These are kind of nice notebooks to like have in your purse or just on your desk. I think this is probably one of my favorite illustrations. And then "We are all fools in love." And the third notebook looks like they're walking at their house. And "It is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife." So, famous opening lines. So there's that. And then I also got another little add-on. Another little trinket tray. Since I like trinket trays. And this one, ooh, this is pretty, is of Elizabeth. It's very pretty. Don't know if you can see here, but it's kind of black and white picture, but with kind of rose gold foiling instead of just gold. So it's really pretty. I really like that. And on the back it says Litjoy Classics. So that was the Litjoy Pride and Prejudice book. Really love it. So pretty. Also, I have got a few other Pride and Prejudice books, so this is kind of like my Pride and Prejudice collection number 5 or 6. You can go on and see the other videos of all my other Pride and Prejudice books, because it's probably one of my favorite books. And I was able to get 2 other editions that I really enjoy. The first one is the cloth-bound edition of Pride and Prejudice. It's a really nice edition. I like the paper. What kind of wanted me to get it was I saw Kate Middleton. She had the whole collection of the cloth-bound editions of classics, and they just looked really pretty on her desk. So I was like, I have to get the Pride and Prejudice one. So I have that. And then another one, which is another beautiful edition, is the cutout edition. So I really enjoy this one, Pride and Prejudice. I love the color, kind of the aqua blue, and then I think they put out 4 every season, this collection, and I think this is part of the winter collection because there's a quote on the back. It says, "You and Papa and my sisters must come down and see us. We shall be at Newcastle all the winter, and I dare say there will be some balls, and I will take care to get good partners for them all." So that's an interesting quote because it's from Lydia. I've never seen a Pride and Prejudice book with a quote from Lydia, so that's interesting. But it references winter, and I think this kind of seasons cut out edition was for winter. So very, very much love those books. So hope you enjoyed that book. Hope you really like the Litjoy Classics edition. Anyway, hope you like this little mini unboxing and book haul. If you got the Pride and Prejudice book, what number did you get? It'll be fun to, since they numbered the first 1,000 books. Anyway, hope you enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.